Hello everyone, this is Rubel from Briefix. So today we got one Apple Watch Series 5 40mm for my wife from eBay USA, and it is delivered to our home. We have to pay like around customs and delivery charge uh, of around like 50 dirham. Give or take it is like $15 so extra. So if you want to like from Asia or Middle East, if you want to order something from eBay, it will cost you like give or take like for shipping $25, and then customs and delivery in your home will be like around $15. So in total it will be like $40 extra. So be careful. It was my first trial. Probably I will never ever order anything from eBay from Middle East or Asia. It was my first trial. I will check it out, like how is the watch is. I can get a decent watch with that how much money that I spend, like $100 for this watch, and another $50 for shipping. It's like $150. Probably you can get a good watch in here with this $150 in UAE, in Dubai. But that's it. It was just my one of my experiment. I love to do experiments, so I check like can I get it or not. And you will be amazed to see that someone opened it. So here you can see it's basically someone opened the box, I think. But well, we'll see. It really somebody opened it or not, or probably nobody opened it. Okay. Anyway, let's give it a try. Let's open it. What's inside? Okay. So well. So there you can see there is an instruction. It says how to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone, and then this is the watch, I think, and this is the charging brick. If I'm not wrong, yes, it's a nice charging brick, USB, Apple as usual, like it's a charging brick they gave us. Okay, so there you have to say the side button, hold the side button, power on the watch if the watch doesn't charge for 30 minutes. So aim your iPhone camera at watch screen to sync, so you need to sync, follow prompts on your iPhone, enjoy. There are some other instructions there. I think those instructions basically comes from eBay itself, because eBay is the sender. I will open the whole, you can see. Okay, so I will open it to get a little bit closer look inside the box. What kind of box is it really? Because box has instruction on it. This is pretty strange. Um, but I'm still now I'm very pretty positive. But I'm not sure like later on how much positive I will be. Um, I think so. The instruction you can see here, like some instruction, quick tips. So if this still doesn't charge, there are a few other things. If you are experiencing issues, try hard reset, press hold both this button, crowd button, side button for 12 seconds, or blah blah blah. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so there is another thing like an invoice, I think. Oh no, this is kind of like an Apple support option, Apple support app, watch repair, blah blah blah. It's kind of like an coverage expired, so you have to pay to like repair this thing if it is not working. So be careful. I'll be very careful with it. I'm not sure like is it good or bad. It is an refurbished item, so probably there will be some scratches, but holy smoke, it's a new you will be amazed to see it's a new watch. Really, there's no scratch at all. It is superb. My goodness, holy smoke. You'll see, like, okay, let me open that one. How to do that? Okay, so see, I'll show it to you. There is no scratch at all. I'm not sure like will it work or not, but overall, as you can see, it's shiny bit of peach. It's super cool watch. Let me see, does it on, power on? No, it's not powering it on. So says, the instruction says, oh sorry, the side button, I'm sorry. So I have to press on the side. Holy smoke! So it's working. So as you can see, the Apple logo is there. It's a nice Apple logo in there. You can see it's powering it up. Well, the watch is a nice watch. I think there is no scratches whatsoever. It's just like new. It's a new item. It's taking time, and probably I'll bring my wife's iPhone to pair this one. Low battery to continue connect Apple Watch with the charger. So I guess that's it. It's asking us to charger. So later on I will post another video where we'll basically show you how to sync the Apple Watch with my Apple iPhone. Okay, bye bye, take care.